Great choice today with the 2020 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.